Hello everyone and welcome back to your own channel Crypto Guy, and thanks for everyone who are sharing, liking and subscribing my channel as well. In this video I am going to tell you where Bitcoin is going. Is it going upward or is it going downward? And it's also met my target which I have told you in my last video. So where the Bitcoin is going right now? Let's get into it. Okay, so here you can see the crypto fear and greed index, and at the moment it's showing 52, which is totally normal. No greed, no fear. And why it's happening? Because even Bitcoin have a small dump this morning, and here you can see the coin market cap, or the market is in red at the moment, which is totally normal because it's correcting itself. It's taking a little bit dip, and people are selling because of they have made profit and now they are selling to gains. Here you can see all of the coins on the top 10, and even later on until 20 and up to whole market is little bit down, which is totally normal. No need to worry. That's the proper correction, healthy correction for Bitcoin and crypto industry. Okay, so here we have Bitcoin US dollar 1 day chart, and Bitcoin have exactly met my bearish target what I have told you in my previous video. If you haven't watched my previous video, please go back and check this video. Bitcoin next important move. Bitcoin never dip under 11,000. So in that one I told you that we was at there at that time, and I told you that it's very possible and very likely that Bitcoin will come back and test this 20 weekly moving average, and that's what it did. And still we can see that MACD is coming down, is getting light green candles, and then probably we are also going on to this a little bit bearish red candles, and then we can go up, and I think we can easily come until here. So the next target will be like 11,000 100 or 11,080 US dollar. That's totally normal. No need to panic. That's the market is taking correction by itself, and here is an opportunity to go for long. Even in my last video I told you guys that this will be a best entry to go long. If we go and see on 4 hour chart, here you can see that we have been dipped below 20 weekly moving average, but we have stopped out on this support line at 11,266, but it's have a quick wick about 200. That's totally normal. And then if somebody have enter a long position here, I think that was a good moment to take the profit here. As I told you in my last videos that always make long when on sport, and always take your profit when it's on resistance, and that's what actually happened. And now you can see that we are coming back down again, and maybe we can fall back in 4 hour chart in 277, and the other bearish will be 11,100, and the last 200 weekly moving average will be about 11,000. So keep an eye on these targets, and you can make, definitely it will make a rebound from here as well. And if you go back to 1 day daily chart, you can see that this is the best point to go long, or if we break this, then we can fall to this 10,913, 10,634, and the last will be ultimate bearish target will be 10,000. Let's come to the bullish target. In bullish target we can come until here, or we can just go straight on the top, and we can touch this support line which is about 12,300. So that would be my near future bullish target. And if we go and see some technical, here you can see that oscillators are neutral, buyings summary is that we have to buy, and even in moving average is showing strong buy, so that's good for Bitcoin. So keep an eye on this moving average, and let's keep it long from there. Okay, and now we can move to some crypto news, and first of all we can handle some bearish news. Bitcoin price dipped 3% on OKX news. Analysts aren't too worried. Bitcoin price dropped early on Friday after crypto exchange OX suspended withdrawals, but analysts told Coindesk they don't significant further losses are likely. And even because of this, Bitcoin only dipped like 3%, which is totally normal and healthy for the crypto market. And this is into that more of that news that OKEX founder reportedly under investigation as exchange suspend withdrawals. I told you guys so many times that never put your Bitcoin or your crypto on exchanges. Only put that kind of amount which are you are ready to lose or you are going to trade very soon. As soon as you have traded, as soon as you get your profit, just take it out and put in your cold wallet or your hardware wallet. That's what happens when you put the things there, because not your keys, not your Bitcoin. Same with the other cryptocurrencies as well. Like if you put on any third party exchange, you are not know what's gonna happen and you can just lose a lot of money. We are unable to disclose the nature of ongoing investigation, but would like to assure our users that their funds are safe and that other function on exchange are infected. Seriously, I mean, they can say whatever you want, but for me, I will never put my crypto assets on an exchange. Only I will put those assets which I'm ready to lose or they are going to trade in the near future. So just trade it and put your back money back. Enormous wall of money will set Bitcoin to 1 million in 2025. Top Chinese chemical firm uses blockchain to cut trade financial costs. Why Bitcoin price dropped 3% in 30 minutes? That's already been told because they have frozen the withdrawal and people cannot withdraw. Five Russian banks express interest in digital ruble. Nowadays, I think you also heard about Chinese yuan has been digital. Now they are also going for digital ruble as well. Enormous wall of money will send Bitcoin to in 1 million in 2025. Rahul Par have said that. So let's move to some bullish news. Everybody here are moon boys and we want to see Bitcoin going to the moon, and it will in future. But when? We can just estimate. The largest cryptocurrency will massively outperform gold before that, says the Rear Vision founder. Bitcoin hitting 1 million by 2025 is about right. There have been many predictions in the past and that's one of it. But frankly speaking, definitely before 1 million it will go to 50,000 and then 100 US dollar and then to 1 million. So I'm waiting for that 50,000 and then 100 US dollar, and I'm pretty much sure that in near upcoming years the demand is gonna be too high and the supply is gonna be too low, and then the price will definitely go up. There would be no other option left. So we just have to buy and stake and save our Bitcoin as much as we can and wait for 2025. But I'm pretty much sure that maybe this year we can also hit easily 20,000 and next year we can hit about 40,000, even 50,000 prediction. Okay, so here we have another bullish news from Ethereum. Like more than half of the Ethereum hasn't moved in last 1 year. Multi-year Ether accumulation has been growing in 2020, but things may soon change with the launch of staking. So we are still waiting for Ethereum 2.0. More than half of the Ethereum circulating supply has not moved in more than a year. Why not? Because people are saving, people are stacking, people are waiting for Ethereum 2.0 to invest 32 Bitcoin in staking and get the reward from there. With only almost 40% of Ethereum changing hand over the past month. So that's totally bullish. You can see that people really know the value of Ethereum. And in my opinion as well, like in the next bull run, Ethereum can easily touch 1000. In the previous bull run, it had been touching almost like 1400, and I think in this term it can easily go and touch 1000, which is totally normal. And here you can see it's been touching 1400 US dollars. So definitely 1000 US dollar is nothing. Definitely it's gonna going more upward, but I'm just going to be on very safe side telling you that 1000 US dollar Ethereum is not far away. 60% of our Ethereum hasn't moved in 1 year plus. With Ethereum to phase 0 approaching, it will be interesting to see how much the percentage come down by as Ethereum OGs move their stash into staking. I am particularly curious to see if any of the coins in the 5+ year category move. So this is very bullish, and that's also tells that people are bullish on Ethereum because of DeFi as well, and also about Ethereum 2.0. So I think that's all for today, guys. So keep liking, keep subscribing my channel, and until that, take care and be safe, and bye bye.